got Ruben Bohemian Cowboy. Well, we're over here just about by Chattanooga. And, well, there's a big boat out over here on my left over here. See that big boat going up the river up here? Well, that's like it's a good size. And, yeah, over here in Chattanooga over here. You can see them there. Big size boat. And, oh, it's a Tennessee aquarium boat. Giving tours there. Huh. And, you can see all of the mountains out here and the side hills. And leaves changing color and stuff like that there. Over here by Chattanooga here, we call it the Choo-Choo. And, surprised that boat was out there this time of year. And, he's going up the river there, I guess, where he looks. I can't see there, but see if you guys can see him there. But anyhow, we're over here next to the river over here and stuff like that. There's a lot of industry over here too there. Pretty country over here. Trees changing colors. And a lot of traffic out here, but not a lot of traffic. Steady traffic anyhow, put it that way. But it's probably in the 40s out here. Well, you can see a place over here that's abandoned. There used to be a steel mill there years and years ago, and nothing there now. And a lot of places are like that around the country. There, a lot of empty buildings, and I used to know a lot of steel out of here back in the late 80s, early 90s, back that days. But downtown Chattanooga here to there's another building empty and a lot of places empty. And don't see much going on in those kind of places there. But roads need some TLC done out here too there and everything. And like I said, it's pretty warm out here. See, traffic's pretty heavy going west there. The roads are rough. But got a load out here going to Georgia here, so happy trails, be safe. Bye.